Hi there, I'm Sarah and welcome back to Music Therapy with Sarah. Today is Tuesday, which means I have Tuesday tips to offer. So the first tip is to find something that keeps you busy where you feel that you're doing something productive. So an activity I want to recommend is to learn a new instrument. So you know that old guitar your grandpa got you for your birthday that's sitting in your closet collecting dust bunnies? This is the perfect time to pick that up and learn how to play. Once you learn how to play an instrument, you can see progress and you will feel accomplished that you're learning something, and it takes up a lot of your time learning a new instrument. So I've been teaching at Footprints Music, and they offer guitar, voice, piano, ukulele, a bunch of other instrument lessons. So I'll link their website below, and they're offering online lessons now, so take advantage of this time. And if learning instruments is not for you, then there's a music therapy technique called the ISO principle. Meet yourself at where you're at. So let's say today you're feeling quite irritated, angry, upset, sad, hopeless. Just meet that emotion. Whatever emotion you're feeling that you can't really describe into words, just accept it and be like, okay, here it is. I feel however I feel. And then find music that resonates with how you're feeling, to validate how you're feeling, to just accept that right now, here now, I feel blank, and listen to music where it matches how you feel, and then slowly change up the music that you're listening to emotion that you want to feel, maybe maybe hopeful or happy or joyful, something like that. So really just meet yourself at where you're at, okay? And then slowly change it up if you want. And then the final tip is to sign off for the day, okay? So having a same time and a same activity that you do before you go to bed. Like for me personally, I know it's been really very hard to keep to a routine. And I've just been going to bed later and later every night. Like the past couple nights, I've been going to bed at 3 a.m. I don't know what I'm doing all this time, but time just goes by. I'm like, Sarah, go to bed. So it's really, really hard for me too as well. So just really picking the time that's reasonable for you to go to bed and keeping to that and doing an activity before bed. So, for me right now, I find that I need to be quite productive with this amount of time I have at home, not working anymore. I just feel like I need to go, be busy, do stuff. So, but a perfect way for me to end my day is to watch movies. I don't know about you, but I love watching movies. And there are a couple movies that is quite famous that a lot of people I know have seen and I have not. It just wasn't my thing when it came out. Like Lord of the Rings, Star Wars. So I've been slowly inching my way through those movies. I finished Lord of the Rings. Okay, that's besides the point. I've just been watching movies that I have not seen. So that to me feels productive because I'm learning, okay? And now I can understand all these things that people talk about, characters and whatnot. So just find an activity that you enjoy doing before you go to bed. So having the same activity before bedtime and going to bed at a reasonable time is my recommendation. Take it or leave it, but these are the tips for today, and I'll see you guys in a couple days for Therapy Thursday. Okay, take care.